So I got a 302 here, and the crank has got some rust spots on it for the rods. And what I'm going to do here is I am going to polish the crank with a shoestring and some really high grit sandpaper that is wet sandpaper. And you see like that, you're going to grind it. Well, it's not grinding it. It's going to polish it. And you're using a shoestring, and that you do not want to put lube or anything on here when you're doing this, because your sandpaper will just stick to the crank and you won't be able to get the nice spinning motion like this. And this is what you want so you can polish it. And this was as rusty as this here, surface rust. I mean, it was pretty bad. I should have started the video before, but you know, I'm a smart redneck that always forgets the last second. So here, we'll pull that off, take a look at it, and you want to make sure that you don't overlap your sandpaper. You want to cut it to where the ends touch at the center. Look at that. That is looking nice. Super nice. It's getting back to a polished finish just like that. And we will spin it over. And you can see the bottom. Yeah, see, like, there's some rust spots on here. Might just be the oil, but there was rust spots. And I did do some of these. Yeah, no, there's still rust spots, like right there. If you come in closer, you can see that right there. All right, well, let's hit that bad boy. And let's get her all cleaned up. So you want to do is you take your shoestring, wrap it through once, and then one more, if my fat hands will let me. And then you just, it takes a little bit to get the, it might have still been wet a little bit. Yeah, I probably should have. Come on. Spin. There we go. I should have sprayed it with brake cleaner, parts cleaner first, so it would get that nice good spin, but yeah, we're gonna have to. All right, that's all right. Yeah, but it's already cleaned it up some, so you want to make sure you clean it well to start with. You want it to, no grease or oil will make it stick, and even undry brake cleaner will make it stick, and it won't do the spinning and polishing. I know that, you know, you want the paper, you know, it'd be nice to have it wet, ideal, because it's wet, dry paper, but to get the shoestring and all of it to work, you really can't. And this is a poor man's way of, and this is only, I'm only doing this to clean up, yeah, see there, now we're spinning, surface rust. I'm not taking any amount off of this crank, because, yeah, and then I can give it a little bit of pressure actually now, and make it go where I want it. Alrighty. Do not do this with low grit sandpaper. You will put giant scores in there, and you will have to take it to a machine shop. But yeah, Look at that now. She's all polished and looking new again. So yeah, if I clean the other side, you can, it's just where I didn't touch it with my finger. If you can see that on camera, I don't know. But all right, guys, just a little redneck tip, I guess. Thanks for watching.